Hi, this is Airbnb Adventures with Jeannie. Join me really soon on September 29th when I'm in an old-fashioned cowboy ranch in Cave Creek, Arizona, where it's going to be awesome. They have bell towers, dude ranch houses that you can stay in, and all kinds of cool places in Cave Creek to explore the desert. Right now I'm at Beachwalk in St. Augustine, Florida. This is what it looks like. I love this place. It's a lot of maintenance to keep this man-made lagoon clean, but they do it and it's beautiful. And this is the gorgeous swim-up bar. We just had a really bad rainstorm in St. Augustine, Florida yesterday, but I'm live on location. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty here. I love working here. And like I said, it's just a really beautiful neighborhood. I don't like that cell phone tower, but otherwise, I love this neighborhood. It's so pretty. Most of the places you look, you'll see the beautiful palm trees they put in. And it's just a really pretty place to work. You have splash pad, tennis courts, nice houses, feel resorty, Key West looking, metal roofs, nice big slide here that you can go down right above me. This is my little workout area where the lifeguard chair is for water aerobics, and a swim up bar where you can order delicious food from the restaurant up here. And it's called Beachwalk in St. Augustine, Florida. Love this place. But anyway, look for me on September 29th, the night of the 29th and 30th in Cave Creek, Arizona. And then after that, I'll be at Chaparral Park. And I will be live on my Airbnb Adventure channel reviewing the different places that are Airbnbs that you can stay into. And I'll be giving you tips on Airbnbs. Join me then. See you later. Bye.